Obviously, we make fine-tune adjustments as we meet with different customers. So many times we'll have one-to-one conversations with our top customers, and we'll show and almost interview them with our products, and we get direct feedback. So in some of these, we might make a processing change in the sense of how do we produce it. We might make a cosmetic or a design change for certain customers that may object in one direction or compliment us in another. So it's really about a balance. You'll notice that we used a traditional touchpad here. This was looking at a click pad, one piece, and you'll see this probably emerge over time. We've used this in our consumer sector. This is the one that we're using in our business sector. We wanted to have that consistency with the overall EliteBook. I think you'll see as Win 8 comes out, you'll see the use of larger and larger touch surfaces, where I think at some point you'll see basically these surfaces become almost all touch, whether that means going completely to a slate or something that's a hybrid.
So how much do you expect Windows 8 to influence your design?
I think it will be some impact, because if you think about the Metro UI and how you interact with it, it is a little bit different. If you think about how you're paging through things, it does mean that your touch interface becomes very, very important. Certainly, we believe as we go thinner and lighter, there's just more and more I would say need for these products to go in different places. So things like backlit keyboards, things like brighter screens, things like outdoor screens, these things are becoming more and more important. So it's not just Win 8, it really is about, I'll call the industry on whole is looking at just different environments going different places, and so we're seeing just a dramatic change.
Well, if you make one of these as a consumer business, just like that,
you'll buy one? Okay, well, we're glad. Very glad. Very glad.
I really like this. I really like that.
So this is one of the designs that actually led very nicely into our workstation lineup, where we ended up doing the radial spin. And what we wanted to do was capture a different aesthetic that gave us something to talk about as well as something to be recognized. Our workstations are really when we talk about Elite, it is the best of your mobile workstations, right? Mobile workstations. When we talk about it, it is the best of our Elite look. It's the most powerful that we have. And when you see it on a desktop, sometimes the outside is just as important as the inside. And certainly as people kind of come towards you, you're in a mobile environment, we want them to recognize you have an EliteBook workstation. It's unique. So you'll see the colors, the materials, the finish, the spun finish that we put onto the A cover, unique to that line.
Okay, and those are over there?
You can see them right here.